1 tablespoon fennel, 4 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, half star anise. Next add 2 types of pepper, 15 to 20 black pepper and 6 to 7 Schezwan pepper. Schezwan pepper is called trifala in Hindi. Grind the ingredients into powder. 5 spice powder is ready. Next prepare the sauteed vegetables. Take oil. Add onions. Saute it. Add capsicum. Saute it well. Our stir-fried veggies are ready. Take oil. Add onion. Saute well. Add chopped ginger. Stir well. Add slit chillies. Stir it. Add tofu. Stir it well. Add salt according to your taste. Add salt cautiously as you are adding soy sauce. Add sugar. Add 5 spice powder. After sauteing the tofu, add the sauteed onions and capsicum. Add cornflour slurry. Let it cook for a few minutes. Our dish is ready to serve. This is Oriental dish 5 spice tofu. Check the detailed recipe in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.